So we are here at Bayokbok Falls. Bayokbok Falls. Bayokbok Falls. Mom, moonwalk yan sa nakay. Mom. Yan. Alright. Uy! 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 Mom, moonwalk kasi na? Ha? Lansa, lansa. Uy! Uy! Uy, Kaiden! Hả? Neptune? Chí ngày? Kita kuat? Lama? Takot. Let's go.
Yan daw si Makikado. Makikado si.
Go, Kaiden. Go.
Nasa ano?
Jaga timnam amai.
Wow.
Green water.
So we are here in the Tublai part of Benguet. So this is a newly opened tourist spot, and let's try.
Sa kami yung vlog.
Tako? Kasi ko ba? What's up? May na ya pa at live best sa Batap Rock ta. So we are here at Bayokbok Falls, here in Tublai. Okay, so they say that this have 3 layers. So there are 2 layers there. There are 2 layers up there, but we can't go because a while ago it rained, and the only path is there to climb that rock. so we can't go there. The tour guide doesn't allow. Okay, so let's just enjoy this and yeah, let's just enjoy. So thank you for watching our vlogs, and I hope you will enjoy our trips, and gonna go to these trips, and I hope you can join us. So travel with us with these videos that we will upload. So this is province life, guys, enjoying this beautiful nature that God has given us. So So let's enjoy this river. Come with us. This is life. This is life, guys. You need to go out here. Pwede po waksan isa. Wait. May pwede wajan ilas. Bes, kita ang kayat-kayat. Lokal may tek-tek sa tetatalisya naman. Stop! Stop! Tet aton. So a while ago in the tourist information we saw that there are 150 persons who came here a while ago, and we are 5 plus our nephew, and that's 156, not including other children, so it's free for children. Pwede din to sa ano, hindi marunong lumangoy. Sa my life best. Life best is life. May torchon. We can't go there. Ada biasa. Torjo na. Torjo na chalo. May tatali. Dali di ba tatali? Sa. So, are you enjoying our videos, guys? I don't know what they're doing. So this is how we enjoy life. That is tough.
Kaya ko rin yun.
10.
10.
Abang ka din ako na. Hindi nagpaalam sa jowa.
Pero mag-dumpar ka dito.
Kailangan. Tanpuy-puya. They give a score to those who jumped there. I guess that's 20 feet, maybe.
Okay, let's go.
So this is our friend. Doesn't want to use life vest. May linya ka. Alam ko ninasok eh. Okay.
Hindi ka kasta mo sa imam. Dito, hindi na doon sa mo papatok pa.
Doon ako sa pinakalas.
Ito ma-break up yo. Memorize, okay. That was fun. So, let me show you the way going up there. There. That is the way going up. But it is prohibited to go there because it has rained and it's slippery. Slippery, guys. One, two. Hop! Hi. I think there's no rocks there, so it's okay. Let's go. Let's try. Okay, that's almost 9 feet. So they're saying that we remove the life vest if we jump. Okay, let's remove. I know how to swim. He's trying to see if how deep is the water there. Ah, okay, mabalin isa. Mabalin. Okay, let's try. Ano? Kadol ka daw. So I lifted up my feet because it's not that deep. So lift your feet up.
Dakil ka gawin. At asya ka, isa ka. Umunit kay Dagos.
Alright. Kaden. Jump up. Napasat ya. So the lifeguard just told us earlier that if we jump, we should not use our vest. Okay, so that's a tip.
Face your fear!
Face your fear.
Face your fear!
Umca dasok iya. Jam sok left base. Oh jam. It's also very good to have a girlfriend. Ayo. Malis na kayo kasi wala kayong girlfriend.
Galan! Galan! Ayun!
Amoy fish pan mo ito eh.
That is fun. Hey, thank you, Lord. Matt.
Balita medyo na-enjoy yung rin naladaw.
We're not daw at least. So, yeah, it's good.